Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, we will learn about the concat function in Excel. The concat function in Excel is used to combine multiple strings or cell values into one. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here I have already created a table with first name and last name. Suppose we want to combine the first name and last name into the full name. So for that we need the concat function. Now let's apply the concat function. So for that we need to type here is equal to, type concat, open parenthesis, click on the first text, press comma, type double quotes, press space, type double quotes, press comma, and click on the last name and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that the concat function has combined the first name and last name into full name. So I will drag it down. So the Excel will combine the all first name and last name to the full names. So that's how we can use the concat function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.